In this video, we will learn how to reverse a string in Java. I will be using a stack class from Java and also string tokenizer. I'm going to break the string with string tokenizer and push the each word onto stack. Then we'll print the each word in a last in first order, which will reverse the order. First, I will define a string and name it text and set its value to some string of text, and this is our string, and we want to reverse this string to reverse. And now I will create an object of a stack of type string, and I will name it stack and then stack. And now I'm going to use I need to import Java util package. Import java.util, and now I'm going to create an object of string tokenizer so we can tokenize our string and get each word from our string and push on to stack. New string tokenizer and pass in our text string, and I will use a while loop to get the each token from string tokenizer. St dot has more tokens. If we have more tokens, then we will keep on looping, and also we will push to our stack, and that will be stack dot push and st dot next token. So over here we are getting or tokenizing a word, each word, and pushing onto stack. And after we have all those words on our stack, we can print the string backward by printing the stack backwards. It's gonna be system dot out dot print line. This should be dot out dot print line, and string backwards, just printing some message to console. And then while stack is not empty, it's gonna be while stack is not empty, we are going to pop from a stack system dot out dot print line and stack dot pop. So we will get the last word first now, and then system dot out dot print line, and just we want to print some space after each word, the space character, and that's it. And just need to save and run the program. This should be print instead of print line, else it will print it on next line. I just want to print the whole string in a single line, so I'm just going to use print function and just run it, and you can see this our string is backward. Now I will also print the read node string so we can see the read node string and the string as a backward. So I'm just going to add a code over here. Need to close the console, and I'm going to print over here message system dot out dot print line our original string, and then I'm going to print our original string. That would be just a text, and then run our program again. You can see this is our original string and this is our string as backward. So this way you can reverse a string in Java by using string tokenizer and a stack class implementation in Java. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Awesome Code. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.